Hello, welcome to my channel. The Hyundai Ioniq 6 electric car with a range of more than 600 kilometers features an unconventional, streamlined design and a rich package. The top-of-the-line 326 horsepower version accelerates to 100 kilometers per hour in 5.1 seconds. The electric sedan is one of the most original models of the Korean brand. The interior is in the spirit of Hyundai's crossover sister Hyundai Ioniq 5. There are two large 12-inch displays on the front panel. Dual-zone climate control is powered by a heat pump. Initial equipment Hyundai Ioniq 6 Elegance includes adaptive cruise control, rear-view camera, Bose audio system, heated steering wheel and rear seats, electric trunk lid, wireless charging smartphone light and rain sensors. The more expensive top variant adds electric rear seats, all-around cameras, projection on the windshield and parking autopilot with remote control. All Ioniq 6 features collision avoidance systems, with maneuvering function, lane keeping and driver fatigue monitoring. The new Hyundai Ioniq 6 will be offered in rear-drive 151 and 229 horsepower versions, as well as all-wheel drive version with 326 horsepower. Top version accelerates to 100 km per hour for 5.1 seconds. Hyundai offers the electric car with 53 and 77.4 kW bullet-operator H batteries. In the first case, the range is 429 km, in the second, 583 km with all-wheel drive and 614 km with the rear. It takes 18 minutes to charge the electric car from the 350 kWh fast station in 80%. In addition, there is a bidirectional charging function. You can power various electric devices from the car. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel not to miss new videos.